I'm Jessica Schaefer, and I'm a park aide for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers at Carlyle Lake. Today, we will be flying into our virtual program and learning about fireflies. Fireflies are also known as lightning bugs, glowworms, and moon bugs. Fireflies are not really flies at all, but are winged beetles, making them an insect. They are about a ½ inch long when fully grown. Their wings are brown or black with a yellow border. Their head is black and red. Female fireflies do not have wings at all, meaning they cannot fly. They are nocturnal animals, meaning that they are awake at night. They are basically a nocturnal beetle, which is an insect, meaning they have 6 legs, antennae, wings, 3 body parts, which is the head, thorax, and abdomen. Fireflies only live for about 1 to 3 weeks. There are 130 different species of fireflies found in the United States. Fireflies can be found in fields, near water, or wooded areas. They live in the ground, inside wood, or trash and brush. The best time to see fireflies glowing is near sunset or in the dark, since they are nocturnal. What do fireflies eat? As a winged beetle, the larvae of a firefly eats worms, small snails, and slugs. Adults do not eat, and some fireflies eat other fireflies. Fireflies are one of the most well-known insects because of their glow. How do they do it? They glow due to a body fluid called luciferin in the abdomen. Fireflies start glowing by allowing oxygen in and stop glowing by letting oxygen out, and this is called bioluminescence. Most fireflies glow green. Even the larvae glow green, meaning firefly eggs glow. Some can glow yellow or red. Firefly lights are the most efficient lights in the world. 100% of the energy is emitted at light. You can compare this to a light bulb in your house, which emits 10% of its energy as light and the rest as heat. Because it produces no heat, scientists refer to firefly lights as cold lights. Fireflies glow to communicate and attract a mate. Males have specific patterns and females have responses. Scientists also believe they may flash their light to drive away predators and claim territory. Fireflies flashing has not been studied extensively, though. There are only 2 places in the entire world that simultaneous bioluminescence occurs. Fireflies flash and sink all night long in Southeast Asia and the Great Smoky Mountains. Fireflies flashing is something to experience, but their population is declining. They are disappearing due to urban development, light pollution, logging, and pesticides. You can help by turning off outside lights, let logs and brush accumulate outside, create water features in your landscape, avoid the use of pesticides, and if needed, to use pesticides, make sure you read the directions carefully and only use it when appropriate. Use natural fertilizers when you can. Don't overmow your lawn, plant trees, and talk to your neighbors. You may have seen or heard of people collecting fireflies in a jar, but we do not want to take any wildlife out of the wild, so today we will be making our own firefly jar. What you will need is glow-in-the-dark paint, a paintbrush, a Sharpie, and a jar, and I used a pickle jar from my house. First, what you want to do is take your paintbrush and dip it in your glow-in-the-dark paint and start painting ovals all around the inside of your jar. Now we are going to take our Sharpie and we are going to draw X's on the ovals, and this will represent the wings. Now that I have finished my fireflies, I'm going to put a second coat of glow-in-the-dark paint onto my fireflies to help them glow better. Now that you have finished painting your fireflies and putting the X's on it, set it in the window where it can get sunlight for at least 24 hours, and then take it into a dark room and see your own fireflies glow. Thank you for learning about who glows around Carlyle Lake. At this time, please remember to social distance and always wear your life jacket.